saw that I was
Red
talking
flag.
to another girl, yeah, from there the trust was kind of shaky.
Red
I've
flag.
changed since then a lot. That was
She ain't
years
gonna
ago.
believe you.
Red flag. My last ex
Hey,
was
you can't
not
tell girls
the
that,
most
bro.
truthful. He was very good at like
It's funny because he just told you the truth, and you see how funny girls are.
manipulating the situation.
YouTube Wagwan man, you know it's your boy Clicked, and you tune in to Click React. Today we got a special kind of video, almost similar to the cut ones that I would do, like the speed dating or the button. But this one is called blind dating strangers based on their red flags. So that's all you hear, and that's what you have to decide on. Should I go with this person or not? So I expect this to be lit, you know what I'm saying? Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know if you think you would have picked the right person here, especially for the girls, you know what I'm saying? I'll see you guys in the next.
What's your relationship like with your mom?
I'm first? Am I going first every time?
I would prefer to have someone who loves his mom, not a mama's boy.
I love my mom. We talk about everything. We spoke
confused.
this morning. Yeah, I love my mom. Yeah, mama's boy for sure.
My guy said too
Like
much.
I depend on her for everything, but I love my mom.
I'm gonna give you a red flag.
Oh
You
shit.
should never date a mama's boy.
I got a mom tattoo right here. It says like mother, and my mom has a flower that says like son.
Oh shit.
See, I love my mom. Torrin wouldn't like this at all.
My relationship with my mom is great. Always been great. Never really had problems.
Green flag. Green flag.
Yeah, my mom's the best human.
Oh,
that's
this is
ever lived.
cool.
I think
So
if I
everything they get a step forward. Okay.
asked her to bring me a sandwich, and she lives in Montana, she would fly down to LA and give me one. So she's just incredible.
Red
Strange.
flag. There's nothing wrong with loving your mom. I love my mom to death. She's not gonna fly here to make me a sandwich.
Yeah, it's
make
wild.
yourself a sandwich.
It's great.
mean, you can
She's
make him a
been there
sandwich
from
too.
the beginning, since I was born.
Red. No. Green. 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 Green flag.
You know, she's a queen.
She
showed me
likes his
early on
voice.
What it is I need to do as a young man to make future women happy, whether it's my woman, whether it's a future daughter, you know, my goddaughter, whoever.
Green flag.
Yeah, I knew she was gonna pick this nigga.
Tell me your favorite joke.
Oh man, on the spot.
This nigga getting sent home.
I am the funniest person to walk the planet. I need someone that can have fun. Can I tell a joke to break the ice? Why did Sally's ice cream cone melt? She was on fire.
What? If you're gonna say you're the funniest person to walk on the planet, you gotta make a joke that actually to be like, oh, I get it. Not a what the fuck does that mean?
And no one laughed at my joke, so they all got red flags. That was a really good joke.
What did the DJ name his son?
No idea.
DJ?
Eric.
Okay. That was kind of
That was
funny.
green flag. Yeah, green flag.
Coming up with jokes on the spot is hard, especially when it's like your sense of humor.
Yeah,
is like
some people are not
self-deprecating
like that.
Dark. Which mine is. What's the difference between a Hispanic and a bench?
What? Say it.
A bench can support a family of 5.
Oh shit. She don't know if she can laugh.
That's kind of a jab on myself because I am Hispanic.
Yeah,
But,
I
you know, I
most
think
likely.
It was funny, and I think that's all that matters. Not gonna apologize for it.
It's a good joke, but I need you to stop.
You laughed.
Red flag?
She don't want to support.
Let me explain. It feels inappropriate to laugh, and I don't think I could ever tell that joke.
What did the pirate say when he turned 80? Aye, matey.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
I get it.
Red flag.
Yeah.
What? Your joke is a red flag.
They're taking themselves too seriously. No one really wants to put themselves out there. I mean, if you can't make fun of yourself here, how are you gonna make fun of yourself out there?
I mean, you don't need to do that.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo.
It's
Boo
just
you.
a joke. Why are you crying?
Green flag.
That joke was whack.
Who's there?
Green flag.
Green flag who?
I want a green flag.
Green flag.
Yeah,
Okay, you got a green. You got a green flag.
I'm dead.
Describe a time you've broken the trust of someone
This
that you
nigga
cared about.
sweaty.
Today, actually, I'm actually supposed to be in Joshua Tree right now with the homie. I had to call him up this morning because I forgot to tell him I'm shooting today, and I didn't want to do that to you, of course, Mrs.
Course
so I made
not.
sure I came. So I broke his trust.
Is this a habit?
No.
Or is this a one-time thing?
I don't flake. I hate when people flake on people. I'm not a flaker for sure.
Green flag.
Green flag. There we go.
A past girlfriend had looked through my phone, saw that I was
Red
talking
flag.
to another girl. Yeah, from there, the trust was kind of shaky.
Red
I've
flag.
changed since then a lot. That was
She ain't
years
gonna
ago.
believe you.
Red flag. My last ex
Like,
was
you can't tell
not
girls
the
that,
most
bro.
truthful, and he was very good at like
It's funny because he just told you the truth, and you see how funny girls are.
manipulating the situation and manipulating
Okay.
me in a sense until like I had like that solid evidence that he was actually cheating. Like I feel like I didn't really
That
have a
you
reason to
became a
leave.
detective to
So
find.
I definitely look for honesty and whoever I'm going to be spending my time with next.
One time I had a good friend share
Red
something
flag.
pretty private with me. And
Red
ended
flag.
up sharing it with someone else, and it kind of got
Red
passed
flag.
around to him.
Red flag.
Yeah.
Well, I've never broken a friend's trust or anyone.
After watching all that, why would I tell
myself
you?
To a high standard in regards to loyalty and relationships.
Green flag.
Like,
I was in the military and I was sent to Korea for about 10 months. I had a relationship established about a year prior, but once I got there, the communication kind of fell off.
Red flag. You don't need constant contact with someone, but just a, hey, I'm doing this today. I'm not going to be on my phone. Have a good day. That's not asking for too much. That's literally the bare minimum.
Oh, I'm in the lead. Let's go. You see
Yeah,
that
that's-
comeback?
that's shocking. About to get a red flag right now.
Describe your relationship and your current communication with your ex.
None.
So flat out, I don't have one. I know people try to say you should be mature and, you know, it's okay to be friends, but
weird.
why?
And I never
If and
would.
When you move on to dating someone else, that just poses a problem. And I'm not the type of
Eh, if we
individual
left,
who
I
would
left
condone
for
or
a
allow it.
reason.
I
You
don't
get me?
talk to my ex. We broke up
Strange.
pretty amicably. We decided it would be best if we didn't talk and just kept our distance so we can heal. So no communication right now.
I also don't communicate with my ex anymore. It kind of just faded out. We did keep in contact though, like after we broke up, but yeah, we don't talk anymore.
How long since you haven't talked to your ex?
A little over a year now, I believe.
Darius gets a green flag. Green flag.
What about to say?
Red flag.
What?
Only because he said right now, which leaves the door open.
I think I did
down the
mention that
line.
too.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna have Torin turn around.
Hi.
Hey there.
So
Oh, she know who she want already.
I don't mind that I got out, if I'm honest. She's not really my type.
Yeah.
What's your type?
Not her.
I'm dead.
If you cater to what I consider my type, the red flags look very green.
She's pretty. I would definitely talk to her. If we were out and about, I'd say something to her for sure.
Red flag.
Oh
Because your shirt
shit.
is wrinkled.
Is it this one?
Man, shut the hell up.
Man, like, come on.
I think
And it
that's-
has a slight stain on it.
I think that's the style. Also, I'm sweating. It's kind of hot.
It
It's
is
not
hot.
staying.
It is hot.
I just sweat a lot, girl.
My perfect type. I would say he has one sleeve and one bare arm. No tattoos on the other arm. Green flag.
Bro, shut up.
My style is pretty important to me.
I think this nigga's
but
style is
I
weird as
don't
fuck.
Really care too much about others' opinions.
I love guys that are tall. I'm very drawn to very tall guys.
You guys literally the
taller
same
you
height.
are, ugh, chef's kiss.
Mm-mm.
Green flag. Because I like the accessories. I like the watch.
He's short
the
though.
double necklaces, the shoes. Yeah. Ugh, I'm so good.
He's a good looking boy.
What's a
Yeah.
deal breaker political opinion of yours? Be specific.
My deal breaker in politics would be your support of an individual whose beliefs directly contradict what goes on in the Black and Hispanic community.
Green flag. If you don't stand for human rights, which are huge for me, we
Oh,
won't align.
shut up.
What's the worst thing someone can say about you?
Shut the
My
fuck.
style is whack. Like they don't like my
That's
style.
the worst.
I don't really care much about what people say about me. So it was hard to try to think of something.
Green flag. Would you raise your kids with religion? Why or why not?
What a hard question for him.
I was Catholic. I'm a Christian now. I pray every day. I meditate. It's important to me. It brings me ease. It brings me peace. And I think it's important to instill those values in my children too.
I would like someone that believes in something. Like, I don't care what
Do
it is,
you?
but like I love to
You don't care what it
pray
is.
and
What
I
the
love to, like
fuck?
meditate and things like that. So someone that can reciprocate that and like do it with me is definitely a green flag.
Okay.
Can I get 2?
No.
Oh shit.
Your best female friend is being super flirty with you while we're dating. What would you do?
It depends on the situation, like where we are. If we're like texting,
She gonna say
and she
red.
says something crazy, and be like, "That's weird. Don't do that," or something like that. Like cut that out. And if she does it again, then I might have to block her or something. But and if we're in person, then I just give her a weird look and be like, "What are you doing?" Like, you know what I'm saying? Try to talk to her, be like, "What are you doing?" Even if I wasn't in a relationship and a friend was being flirty with me, I'd be like, "What are you doing? What are you doing? We friends. That's it."
Red flag.
I knew she would say that.
Firm boundaries are the best way to go. You don't respect me. You don't respect my girl. You gotta go. Period.
If it
Oh,
persists,
shut
then
up,
I'm
man.
like, yeah.
Happening once is
This girl is so stupid.
I can't dictate. I mean, I can't predict. You
Yeah,
can't
you
really
can't.
control that. You can't unless you can see it coming somehow. But that's not really persistence if it happens initially.
Darius, his response.
Yeah, man. This
validated
girl is
my reasoning for giving him a red flag. Do you want me to elaborate more?
No, I was just saying I can't predict if it happened the first time. If it happens after that, then I can be like,
Of
what are you
course, we
doing?
don't predict it, but I just feel like boundaries that you already set when you get into a relationship.
People break boundaries all the time. You can't control whether people break boundaries. You can control what happens after that.
But for me personally,
I get it.
I've
Bruh,
been
shut
in a
up.
situation, long time,
Shut
multiple
up.
guy friends.
It's a little different.
Never once crossed the line, ever.
It's a little different.
Because like that's what I established. That's the line that they know they could never cross, even if they felt that way.
Oh yeah, okay.
But
Those are
different for
great guy
everybody.
friends.
You got great guy friends for real.
She knows what she wants, and she's particular, and that's not a bad thing. I mean, if we
It's
don't match,
unrealistic too.
there's no point in wasting time, right?
If you suspect I cheated on you, how would you approach it?
Oh, I would be straight up. I'll call you out on it. I'm not beating around the bush. Nobody got time to waste, right? I wouldn't, I would attack it head on. I would ask you, like, hey, what's going on? Right then and there. I'll probably pull up to your house. Like, girl, come outside. Let me see your phone.
I would never allow someone to pull up to my house and demand to see my phone ever in a million years, especially if you're my partner. There should still be
So who-
a certain level of respect.
so who
You
can demand
still
to
be
see your phone?
firm without being insane. Green flag.
Can I get 2?
Nope.
I'm gonna keep asking you until you give me 2.
I know.
You did end up giving him a green flag.
Only for the straightforwardness of it. I definitely believe if that's what you
Confused.
feel like your partner is doing, confront them. What counts as cheating?
Anytime that you do anything with malicious intent,
Red flag.
if you have to try to justify anything or like then it doesn't work like that. If it's a blurred line, then it's a cross line.
Green flag.
She gonna like that. I knew that.
I'm sorry.
I said it once.
Promised land.
He cheated. I seen him cheat.
How
I
did
saw
he
him.
cheat?
That's crazy. I'm colorblind too. I don't even know how.
Yeah.
It feels good winning, no matter what the circumstances are. I feel like I just hit a game-winning three-pointer.
Jeremy's really cool. Super, super cool. Super.
thought she
seems
liked
a
tall guys.
Super genuine guy.
You don't
super
know
cool.
him, but
Are you
yeah.
interested in asking each other out, swapping numbers?
We could do numbers, WhatsApp, email, pen pal, whatever you.
Ben.
Any final thoughts?
No, just good vibes.
Oh,
For
no.
me, it's not as linear as just, oh yeah, I can't wait to go on a date.
Yeah, because you
I
ain't
mean,
excited like
he
that.
seems like a great dude. We could grab a drink sometime as friends,
You guys can go on a date.
Just
Do you hope anything kind of amounts after this, or?
Jeremy is nice and Jeremy is cool. And I'm glad I met Jeremy for today.
What the fuck does that mean? That is kind of wild, man. I feel like this girl was a little bit extra, but let me know what you guys think, man.